Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient solution designed for spaces up to 900 square feet, effectively managing humidity levels in areas like basements and bathrooms. With a capacity of 62 pints, this unit excels in moisture removal, making it ideal for homes prone to dampness and mold growth. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its advanced smart technology that allows for easy monitoring and control. The built-in humidity sensor automatically adjusts the dehumidification process, ensuring optimal performance without constant manual intervention. This feature is particularly useful in fluctuating weather conditions where humidity levels can change rapidly. The design of the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is sleek and compact, allowing it to fit comfortably in various spaces without being obtrusive. It operates quietly, which is essential for areas like bedrooms and living rooms. Users will appreciate the whisper-quiet operation, enabling them to carry on with daily activities without the distraction of loud machinery. Another notable aspect is the user-friendly interface, featuring a digital display that shows current humidity levels and allows for easy adjustments to settings. The 24-hour timer and continuous drainage option add to its versatility, making it convenient for long-term use without the hassle of emptying a tank frequently. Moreover, the dehumidifier is energy efficient, helping homeowners to save on electricity bills while maintaining a comfortable living environment. It also comes with a washable air filter, ensuring that the air quality remains high by capturing dust and allergens. In summary, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier 900 square FT62 Pint is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to combat excess moisture in their home. With its smart technology, quiet operation, and user-friendly features, it effectively creates a healthier and more comfortable environment. This product stands out for its balance of performance and convenience, making it a trusted choice for moisture management.